also have some gungo peas that I boiled in coconut milk with pimento seed and garlic. We're gonna add that to the pot also. Combine that together. Gonna cover and let everything come together. And so we're going to check on this. Oops. This is going to taste the pot, because if the pot not tastes right, I say food will come out. So taste it, adjust it if need. Alright. You see that little more salt. So I'm going to use my adobo. So add a little to it. And guys, you can adjust the color also. So you can add a little soy sauce or a little brownie if you don't like this color. This is white pepper. Okay, better. So now I'm gonna go in, add my rice. And guys, the rice wash just because it's sitting there. Why do I wash? Combine this properly. Now we're gonna place the chicken back into the pot. Along with the sauce, we drain out of the chicken. Cover this and let the rice cook. We see what we have work with.